Joe Conti, Vice President, First Choice Automotive Equipment. Today, we're at Casa Verde, designed and built by Anthony Fonti. Right behind me, you can find two OMER Duplo Subterranean parking lifts, allowing this homeowner to park 2 cars in his basement, freeing up valuable space. It's made in Italy, high quality fabrication. Each lift is 6,600 pounds of lifting capacity, hot dip galvanized to endure any type of weather. So simple, anyone can use these lifts. There's a simple control panel over by the door, 1 button up, 1 button down. And just like that, those 2 Porsches are gone. And that's what we do. We come down the spiral staircase, and now we're in the back cave. As the homeowner, you can rest easy. You can rest assured that your baby is safe. With the right heavy-duty construction and safety, locks and whatnot, and make sure that nothing can go wrong. So we're very well known for the majority of the commercial work we do with car dealerships and government agencies across the region. Little do other people know is that we do dive into residential, performing high-end projects, high-end clients, and unique situations like this. My favorite part about this project is just the unique application of 2 vehicles going down in the ground. When the lifts are fully lowered, you don't even know they exist. Our unique deck design allows the homeowner or client to apply any type of floor covering like tile like you see here, so gives that aesthetic look of not even knowing that the lifts exist. If Tony Stark had a garage, he would have these lifts in it.